Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I really hope you guys are happy. I hope you're as excited as I am about today's video. I'm going to give you all the details of our new Ariana Lexington nightstands. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. I told you guys in my last video about how we are going to be doing a new house to home series, and it's going to be the master bedroom edition. This is going to be a part of the series, which is our new nightstands. We got two of them and they're the Ariana nightstand by the Lexington brand. In this video, I am going to be showing you the unboxing and giving you full details of these beautiful nightstands, as well as how we put a glass cover over them to make sure we protect the item. So if you are interested in seeing more, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is how the nightstands showed up. They were extremely large and they were well packaged, very secure. I know that these nightstands are pretty wide, so the box are going to be extremely large. Also keep in mind when you are taking it out the box that they're kind of sitting stilt-like, so just be careful and take your time taking them out so that you don't damage anything. So guys, here are the nightstands. Now I'm gonna go set them in the room so you guys can get a visual of how they're gonna look. They come with nails and instructions, I guess, so in case you want to hook them. The back is solid. These things are extremely heavy, you guys. Let's take a look at one of the knobs. That's so beautiful. Can you guys see that? Oh my God. Let's take some of this out of it. Oh, and do you guys see that they're the soft close? I love that. Yeah, I can already tell these things are definitely worth the money. Let's go ahead and put them in our room. All right guys, so I wanted to show you what they look like, just really up close and personal. There's like a lot of stuff that came on them. I'm gonna have to dust them off, but they go perfectly with the aesthetic of our room. I'm gonna go ahead and just take these off so they can be exposed. And yeah. So they're extremely wide. These are the lamps that we already had, which is actually a floor lamp. And they sit on here with so much extra room and extra space up top. What I'm going to do is actually put get a glass topper for this so that we don't ruin the top of these like we did with our old nightstands. But I don't know if you can see, it's like so smooth. It's so smooth. The quality is definitely there. It's like a luxury mixed with a little vintage and very much modern. It has a black outline, so I don't know if you guys can see that. And then two extra large knobs on both, and I'll just pull that. And this is what the top drawer looks like. And to give you perspective, so It's pretty deep. It's not extremely deep, but it's pretty deep. And it's extremely wide. So you can pretty much keep anything you need in this top drawer. You probably won't even have to utilize the bottom drawer. And if you guys seen that, I already showed it to you, but it does the soft close. Let's see. Okay, it looks like this is about the same. It looks like they get a little deeper as they go. And this is what the drawer looks like from up top and from the side. If you are thinking about purchasing the Lexington brand, just take it from someone who has purchased now. Oh yeah, it's a lot deeper in this bottom drawer. Take it from someone who has purchased that. I would definitely get these. They're so beautiful. So yeah, here is the glass piece, and this piece is measured to the actual frame size of the nightstand. So if you guys can see, I will show you guys how we put it on. We do have to remove the sticky pieces. They gave it to us like that to carry it home and make sure it's protected because we had 2 pieces. But I'll put across the screen what type of glass this is. If you were to break this glass, it will not shatter. It will not shatter in small pieces, should I say, because it will shatter, but it will not shatter in small pieces. And then if you step on it, it will not cut you. So we wanted to go with this glass. It was a little bit more. It was about $20 more to get that type of glass, so that if anything were to happen, we are not, you know, running around trying to protect our feet as much, because it's not going to cut you. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'll put these, take these off actually, and then wipe the glass down and show you guys exactly how I put them on top of the nightstand. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, you see how the glass looks. It's giving off like a little green glare, but that's okay. And it's the glass top. So when I clean, I'll use the furniture polish on everything but the glass top. And this is very, very heavy, very sturdy, so nothing is going to move. I'm going to have, of course, our very heavy lamps on top. So I also wanted to protect our piece and not scratch it for having those lamps on top. And later on, we'll do like some decor. That's after we get a rug and seating and all that. We'll do some decor on top of the nightstands. But I gave them the measurements based off of what it had online for these pieces, and the measurements actually came out perfect. I still have to put this piece of glass on, and I'll show you guys if it measured well as well, but I am in love. I need to wipe these down because they have a few fingerprints on them. But like I said, this is extremely luxury, you guys. There's a pamphlet in here on everything about the item. I'll open that a little later. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the glass on top. I feel like if you purchased a really expensive item and you're afraid that you may ruin it, because I know we do have, we do drink in our room and have cups and stuff on top. I'll still get some coasters. However, having like a piece of glass on top of it, it'll definitely help with the longevity of the item, as well as just protecting, you know, your investment. These nightstands were pretty pricey, so they're more so an investment piece than just, you know, we'll have these for a few years and throw them away. I can see these being in our home for definitely the next 10 years, whether they're in our bedroom or in another place in our home. But let me know what you guys think.